Natural eye protection is the best. The first component is mucus that is directly in contact with the cornea and repairs the eye and constantly monitors that it works normally and removes all sort of toxins from the cornea. That is performs adaptive function and participate in the process of the body's natural defense reaction. The second layer of the lacrimal layer is located above the first, as if jelly covered with moisture, so that the fatty layer doesn't dry out and so that the light is well refracted, and if the eyeball shape is somewhere uneven, this fatty layer levels out the surface and then the light gets the way it's need to the macula in the center of the retina and a person can see well. If the fat layer is disturbed, then the light will not hit the retina so clearly and completely different composition will turn out to be some kind of blurry and fuzzy picture, because some synthetic liquid cannot achieve such a good quality as natural. It's like a part of the body, for example a hand is changed to an iron one, and it will not be as good as real. Subscribe to my channel for more beneficial information for your eyes.